What good is your happy life? All you wanted from the start was to cry now. It looks like another fall. Your good friends, they don't seem to help at all now. When you're feeling kind of cold and small, just call on your rainy day man. It does you no good to pretend, child. You made a hole much too big to mend now, and it looks like you'll lose again, my friend. So call on your rainy day man. I said, rainy day man don't like sunshine. You don't chase no rainbows. You don't need good times. Gray days rolling, then you'll see him. Empty feeling, Lord, now you need him. All those noble thoughts, they don't belong. You can't hide the truth with a happy song. And since you knew where you stood all along, time to go on home and call on your rainy day man. Now simple pleasures, they all evade you. Store-bought treasures, none can save you, no, now. Look for signs to ease the pain. Ask again, child, pray for rain. And it looks like another fall. Your friends, they don't seem to help at all. When you're feeling kind of cold and small now, just call on your rainy day man. All I need is just to look up my rainy day man. While we played this eight-month-long gig at a place called the Night Owl Cafe in down in Greenwich Village in New York. It used to be at McDougal and 3rd, but it might have moved since then. I don't know. But anyhow, at that time there were a lot of so-called blues groups in New York City, you know, and they were making a lot of noise. They weren't very good. They were mostly white kids in from the suburbs with electric guitars and amplifiers that their parents had bought them for Christmas and their birthdays and stuff. And their idea of soul was volume. They just crank it up, you know. And they were singing all these heavy songs, like I'm a Man, or I'm a jackhammer, or I'm a steamship, or whatever. I'm the Queen Mary, or Time Breaks. We weren't to be left out of all this, so I wrote this next song, which is the heaviest blues tune I know, ladies and gentlemen, called I'm a Steamroller.